Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. We are at the midpoint of May, and so I thought we'll do a mid-May update in this episode. We'll look at the overall market value trend of ARK, which, if you have been following, has not been great. It has been a downward trend. May has not been so good to ARK actually. We'll look at their biggest moves. We will look at any new or removed companies so far in May for them. So stay with me, please like and subscribe and support the new channel, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, welcome back. In our summary section, as you know, we keep an eye on high level numbers, market value being one of them, and look at that. This is month or mid-month update, month to date update, starting the month with 48.5, ending or midway, it's at 38.8 billion. So not looking good at all, very downward trend, and it is 20% down already, and it's not even, it's just mid of May. So May has not been good to them at all. This is how the weightage looks in all the 8 ETFs. Number of companies, they increased from 271 to 273, so net 2 new companies, but it is a mix of addition and removal of some companies, which netted out to be 2 new companies, 2 additional companies. And these are all the companies that are present in various ETFs. Now let's take a look at the biggest move without further delaying, because that's how there is a change in this particular view, guys. People who have been watching it, who have been following this channel, know that we look at the biggest move by shares, and then we look at it by market value. But I've combined the two here in this case. What I've done is any company where they have added or removed more than 1% share will show up here, which is a big list, obviously, because this is entire month of May, well, half month of May so far. But at the same time, we also have market value. So they added these many shares, but what does it mean by market value? And we have a threshold for that as well. So only the companies in which the move has caused a difference of at least 10 million will show up here. So for entire month, so for up till mid of May, even though they have bought, so generally we look at it this way. Let me sort this particular chart. Then, so that shows us biggest moves by share count, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's the biggest move by market value, right? So that's always been the conundrum here, how to look at the data. So this is how we have sorted it now. We'll take a look at biggest move by shares, and then we will sort this chart and look at biggest move by market value. So biggest move by shares is OKTA, and as I hover over it, you will see further information about it. It is of rank 118 in the 272 companies, 73 companies that they have right now in their portfolio. And then this is more information, the shares trend, stock price trend, and market value trend. They have been buying more shares for this. They have been buying the dip. Look at the stock price trend. It's been going down. Life sciences, life healthcare, one life healthcare. Second biggest move by shares, but not so much by market value, as you can see. UiPath, though, they bought 3 million shares there, 93% more than where they were at end of April. And that truly is the biggest move here. If you look at $190 million difference there. It is not really because of the share going up, because share price has gone down. So that truly is the biggest move. Then you have Skillz, one of their favorites. UiPath also is their favorite these days, actually, including OKTA and One Life Sciences as well. And that's why this is how it's sorted right now. Draftkings, not only ARK's favorite, but many other people's favorite. Skillz, Draftkings, present in 3 ETFs, they continue to buy the dip. Palantir continue to show confidence as the company stock price goes down. They continue to buy the dip there too. Too simple. Coinbase, again, they keep buying. But the stock price has been a roller coaster for Coinbase so far after their IPO. Teledyne continue to buy and hold. Peloton, Berkeley Light, Unity Software, Butterfly Network. So in some of these, they bought more shares, but it is still negative because it's going down. Stock price is going down. The next few months, daily. Remember I mentioned that we find the stock has reached any 10 stock again. It was at $17 at one point. So it's pathetic how the market has been pretty brutal on being therapeutic. Outlet, using smart glasses, Rivian, Space Therapeutics. I'm covering them really fast, so you can pause the video and take a look at trends. Twitter, Roku, so lots of big moves by percentage shares. And then let's look at the biggest moves in the negative side, right? So CrowdStrike almost removed, Fastly almost completely removed, CrowdStrike and Fastly 100% removed. Virgin Galactic, SPCE, Sir Richard Branson's company, Chamath Palihapitiya backed company, and it is 99% gone. Faurecia 99% gone. Thermo Fisher 99% gone. Workforce, which they have been very bullish on, recently, 97% gone. Baidu again, 83% gone. Lending Tree, 79% gone. 68% gone. Apple, Synopsys, 63% gone. All these companies have been the ones that they have been very bullish on, but they have no choice but to sell it because a lot of people are selling their shares, ARK shares, and they have to pay them back. HDFC gone 52%, Silvergate gone 47%, Teledyne, Regeneron 39% gone, Pinterest 38% gone, Roche 36%, KE Holdings 34% gone, Pekar, Alibaba 32% gone, Intuitive, such good big companies, uh, very high confidence and very stable companies they had to sell. But what can you say? If you have to pay all those shareholders back, you have to do that. And then Pure Storage, Iron, Dairy. But one good thing that they have been doing is also investing in growth companies, which they have high confidence in, like Palantir, Draftkings, Skillz, UiPath, etc., that we just went over. So all these are negative, and I'll hover over them quickly so you can see the trends, because we might take a look at them again, because we are going to do one magic trick. So Netflix also just want to take a look at it. They have been selling that a lot too. The stock price going down. PayPal going down. Nintendo, they were super bullish on it, kept on buying more and more and more earlier this year in January or December timeframe. Now they are selling. Pending Club, Snapchat, Square Inc., Personal. So this is the biggest moves in the negative side of shares. But look at that. Now let's sort it by this guy and see the magic. So the truly biggest moves, right, by market value are these. So starting with UiPath, then you have Skillz, Coinbase, Palantir, Teledyne, Draftkings, Too Simple, Peloton, OKTA. OKTA is the total number of shares is the biggest, but market value not so big. iLife Healthcare, Ionis, and Iridium. So these are the only ones in green, guys. Think about that. It has been a brutal market. Look at the red. Wow. So there are companies where they bought more, but it's still in red. Insight, Butterfly, Zoom, Hayden. Lot ones that where they have bought more share. Trade Desk, but they are in dark red. Roku, it's crazy. And yeah, 10x Genomics showing confidence there. Still very negative, 138. So this is probably how you find the nuggets there, I guess. It's very negative, but they're still showing confidence. So let's take a look at the trend. They continue to buy and hold while the stock price continues to plummet. So this they have high confidence in. Other than the ones that are at the top, these are the ones they have high confidence in, which are in extreme red, but they continue to buy. Then you have this guy, Exact Sciences, 2% more shares. So they sold, they held it a little bit, hold it a little bit, and then they bought more. Stock price tumbling down quite a bit there. So look at this. Baidu, 83% sold. Yeah, biggest one in terms of market value also. Tesla, selling just 3% of the shares in May so far, but second biggest in terms of market value. But that's not just because of selling 3%, but also because the stock price has gone down quite a bit there. Look at that. 709 down to $571.70. Square, the number 3 company that they have. So look at the ranking as well at the same time. Exact Sciences, Twist Biosciences, Regeneron. So all these. So that's the new way of looking at the biggest move, guys. We will sort this chart, which is market cap, and we will sort this chart, which is percentage of shares, to give you the truly biggest moves. And this is how the overall portfolio looks from beginning of May to mid-May. Very red, some green because they bought a lot of shares as we went over. UiPath, Skillz, Palantir, Coinbase, Draftkings, the usual suspects. Those 5 are the usual suspects. Always keep on buying. It doesn't matter the stock price goes down or up. Tesla is the darkest red, looks like, this month so far. Let's take a look at the new and removed companies. So new companies are Snowflake, which is very small position there. Organovo Holdings, which has been in their ETF before, but they removed it and then added it again because probably they changed the ETF on it. So that's not a net new company, but new to RK looks like. Blade Air Mobility, that's net new company, added in RQ, 2,605,000 shares. Sorry, so 2 million shares, pretty much 2.6 million shares, 18 million value at $6.94. Experience Investment Co. was the company that was completely removed. So that's the mid-May update for you guys. Sorry, this was a little bit longer video, but we had to cover a lot more and show you the new chart and new way of looking at the biggest moves. So that's what we will follow from here on. This way we will not miss any biggest moves. So thank you, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.